Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making chocolate loaded cake. So let's note the ingredients. For the chocolate sponge, we'll need 6 eggs, 1 cup of self-raising flour, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, half cup of cocoa powder and 1 cup of sugar. For the icing, we'll need half cup of baking chocolate and 600 ml of whipping cream. For the sugar syrup, we'll need half cup of sugar and 1 cup of water. For the ganache, we'll need half cup of baking chocolate and half cup of cream. For the cake sponge, add eggs in a mixing bowl and mix it for a few minutes. Then add sugar, vanilla essence, and keep mixing it until the color gets pale and it doubles in volume. This is the consistency we're looking for. Now we strain the flour and cocoa powder and add in 2 batches. Mix each time with a spatula, making big strokes. This will help us keep the air in the batter. Once it was completely mixed, I transferred this in a 6-inch round baking pan in 2 batches. I've oiled the pan and lined it with baking paper and baked it in the preheated oven at 180 degrees for 30 minutes or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. Now keep this in the fridge and let it cool completely. For the sugar syrup, add water and sugar in a pan and cook it until the sugar completely dissolves. Then transfer it in a jug and put it in the fridge until it completely cooled. For the ganache, I microwaved the cream for 1.5 minutes and poured it on the chocolate. Then let it sit for about 1 minute and then mix it until it all dissolves. Let it sit for some time until it completely cools. Now for the icing, add chocolate and cream together and microwave it for about 1 minute. Then take it out and mix it. Now put it again in the microwave for 30 seconds. Take it out and then give it a mix again. I repeated this for 5 more times, each time giving it a mix until the chocolate completely mixed. Once it's mixed, put it in the fridge for at least 4 hours. After 4 hours, whip the icing until it develops stiff peaks. This is how it should look. Now to assemble the cake, I cut both the sponge into 2 layers each. Then put a small amount of icing on the board and then place the first layer. Cover it with the sugar syrup. And then put a layer of icing. Try to make it as leveled as possible and then repeat the same with all the layers. Finally, cover the cake with icing and make it as smooth as possible. Then I covered it with ganache and made drips along the sides. Then I used big star tip and piped rosettes on the top. Then topped the rosettes with chocolates and it was done. That's how it turned out. I hope you like the recipe. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. Follow me on my Instagram. Click here for my last video and here for a random video. Subscribe to my channel. Have a lovely day and like always, thanks for watching.